All right, here we go. Grady-White 236 Fisherman. If you're a person who loves great detail, quality, the best rod in the business, the Grady-White is your boat. 23-foot overall hull length, 25 when you factor in these beautiful, beautiful swim platforms. Look at that. Just great attention to detail on this boat. Chrome rub rail. It's that beautiful gel coat. Even the gel coat underneath the hardtop. I mean, look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. That Carolina flare. Look at this, guys. I mean, this is absolutely a rocking boat. This is a great machine out on the water. This has the windlass on it. I mean, just look at that. Just sexy lines on this. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, the 2020 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. Whether you're a fisher or a lounger, this is your boat. Got a 300 horsepower Yami on it. Swim ladder. These, again, look at these swim platforms. There's plenty of room here for fishing off the back, swimming off the back. There's storage here in the floor. All right, let's board this bad puppy. Rocket launchers all over. Tow railing when you're working at fish. Under gunnel storage. Rock storage in the gunnels. I mean, isn't it a sexy boat? I mean, look at this. Just absolutely gorgeous. Fish boxes up front. There's also another little box right there. We could put some drinks, snacks, beverage of your choice. Again, the Grady-White 236 Fisherman. Look at those pop-up cleats. Does have the pump out head. 2 live wells. There's one here at the helm seat. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's your transom seat there. Another live well here. Your fish box. Let's look at the head compartment real quick. This is plumbed for a pump out. Again, 2020 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. Please come down to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. You can ask for me, or you can give me a call. 850-292-1559. Again, 850-292-1559. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.